As you can see, that's Mount Mayon. Everyone is preparing for the dito lang yung aming ATV. We're going to do trekking. How about you guys? How's
yes,
good?
Cool.
There is actually a zipline area here. You can go ziplining for 300 pesos.
Talaga yung endorser niya. Go, Jego.
Go back. Say bye!
May laloban na tayong bahay.
Ha? Okay. Wala tayong mga goons. Mangloloob po kami ng bahay. Pero...
Ayan, oh. Hustler yan.
Hustler ba? Hi, baby! Baby! You are here? Yo, baby! Yo! Thank you for letting us stay here.
Okay. Thank you also for visiting Sorsogon.
We love Sorsogon. The place is really nice, right, guys? Yes, it is, Tita.
We hope you enjoyed your stay here.
Yes, we did. It's really nice. Yes, well, the first times are here. Really, it really is. Joy, how was your Sorsogon trip? Masaya. And what's the best part that you really enjoyed among the trip?
Where's your question?
Who's that boy? Who's that boy? What's your most memorable experience here?
Include Lolo,
Yes, we will. Huh? Labutan Ding also. How about you, Al?
Hot spring.
Hot spring.
Eating.
everything.
Me, beaches.
Beach.
Defense sa umaga,
Defense.
sa gabi.
Tom, thank you, Tom.
Welcome.
Thank you.
See you next time.
See you next time.